Are you looking for the best pasta machine 2025? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pasta machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sailnovo Machine 1. Sailnovo Machine 1. This Sailnovo Machine 1 pasta maker is a handy kitchen tool for homemade pasta. It's built from stainless steel so it looks sturdy. The machine has a 180mm roller and 9 thickness settings, so you can make spaghetti or lasagna sheets. It comes with a cutter, a hand crank, and a clamp to fix it. You turn the crank to roll dough into thin sheets, then switch to the cutter to make noodles. No electricity needed, so you stay in control of texture. Cleaning needs care. Blade parts should not be soaked or washed in water. Use a brush or toothpick to remove dough bits. For home cooks, the machine produces even sheets and cuts reliably. It is affordable compared with electric or professional machines, and the learning curve is short if you get the dough consistency right. For heavy daily commercial use it may not match industrial models, but for family meals and small batches it works well. If you like fresh pasta and want a simple, low-cost way to make it at home, this is a solid choice. Number 2. MARCATO Atlas 150 Classic. MARCATO Atlas 150 Classic. The MARCATO Atlas 150 Classic is a simple, durable manual pasta machine that feels built to last. Its chrome-plated steel body looks elegant and cleans easily. The 150mm roller lets you make lasagna sheets, fettuccine and tagliolini with consistent results. The knob provides 10 thickness settings, roughly 0.6 to 4.8mm, so you can dial in thin or thicker sheets depending on the recipe. The rollers are anodized aluminum, which helps prevent sticking and gives the pasta a slightly porous surface that holds sauce better. The basic kit includes a hand crank, clamp and built-in cutters. A wide range of optional attachments is available if you want more shapes. Cleaning is straightforward. Wipe and use a brush for dough bits. Do not immerse in water. For home cooks who want control over texture and a machine that lasts, the Atlas 150 is a reliable, reasonably priced choice. It's not an industrial model for heavy commercial output, but for family meals and regular homemade pasta it's hard to beat. Number 3. Sailnovo Machine 1. Sailnovo Machine 1. The Sailnovo Machine 1 manual pasta maker is an easy, budget-friendly way to make fresh pasta at home. It features a 180mm roller that produces even sheets and a cutter to make fettuccine or spaghetti. Thickness adjustments let you choose thin or slightly thicker sheets, and the rollers are made from stainless/aluminum materials that resist sticking. A clamp secures the unit to the counter so it stays steady while you crank. Because it's hand cranked, no electricity is needed and you have direct control over dough texture. Cleaning is straightforward. Wipe or use a small brush to remove dough bits. Do not soak the cutting parts. User feedback highlights that getting the dough hydration right takes a short learning curve, but once you do, the machine delivers consistent results. It's well suited for home cooks who want fresh pasta without spending on an electric or commercial machine. Not intended for heavy commercial use, but for family meals and small batches it's a practical, reliable choice. Number 4. Imperia iPasta 4100. Imperia iPasta 4100. The Imperia iPasta 4100 is a manual pasta maker that suits home kitchens well. Built from chrome-plated steel, it feels sturdy and wipes clean easily. The roller makes sheets up to 150mm wide so you can prepare lasagna sheets, fettuccine and tagliolini. It offers 6 thickness settings, letting you move from thin to slightly thicker sheets with control. The kit includes a duplex cutter, fettuccine 6.5mm and tagliolini 2mm, a hand crank and a clamp to fix the unit to your countertop for steady rolling. Cleaning is straightforward. Use the supplied brush or a dry cloth to remove dough bits. Do not immerse the cutters in water. Users report that getting the dough hydration right takes a little practice, but once dialed in the machine delivers consistent, restaurant-style results at home. Optional accessories expand the shapes you can make. It's not meant for heavy commercial output, but for regular family pasta and small batches the iPasta 4100 is reliable, durable, and a practical choice. Number 5. ISILER Pasta Maker. The ISILER Pasta Maker is a simple, budget-friendly way to make fresh pasta at home. Its roller is about 150 mm wide and the unit offers 9 thickness settings so you can make everything from thin sheets to slightly thicker ones. It includes cutters for fettuccine and spaghetti and runs with a hand crank, so you control the speed and texture. The body is made from a lightweight metal alloy and it clamps to your countertop so it stays steady while you work. Many listings note washable rollers and cutters, which makes cleanup easier than fully sealed machines. Still, avoid soaking parts unnecessarily. New users should practice dough hydration and feeding technique a bit. Once you get the dough right, the machine makes even sheets and clean cuts. It's not built for heavy commercial use, but for family meals and small batches it's reliable, easy to store, and much cheaper than premium models. Good pick if you want fresh pasta without a steep price or steep learning curve. Number 6. Pasta Maker Attachment for Kitchenaid/Cuisinart Mixers. These pasta attachments for Kitchenaid and Cuisinart turn a stand mixer into a fast pasta making machine. The idea is simple: the roller flattens dough into sheets, then the cutter produces spaghetti or fettuccine. Because the mixer powers the attachment, you get steady, consistent results and can handle larger batches than a hand crank. Most official attachments are stainless steel and include a cleaning brush. Manufacturers warn not to immerse cutting parts in water and recommend brushing out dough bits. Users report that once you nail the dough hydration and the mixer's speed, the sheets feed cleanly and the noodles cut evenly. Cost-wise, attachments sit in a mid-range price band. If you already own a compatible mixer, buying an attachment is a cost-effective way to expand its use. For heavy commercial production you'd still want dedicated industrial kit, but for home cooks, small catering, or anyone who wants quick, fresh pasta without extra countertop appliances, these attachments are a very practical upgrade. Number 7. Philips 7000 Series Pasta Maker. The Philips 7000 Series Pasta Maker makes fresh pasta with minimal fuss. It mixes, kneads and extrudes in one automated run. Thanks to Pro Extrude technology, the dough is blended and pushed through shaping discs, so you don't need a separate roller or manual cutter. That saves time and gives consistent texture. Capacity is family friendly. Philips states it can produce up to 6 to 8 portions in one batch, which is handy for dinners or small gatherings. The unit includes multiple shaping discs for spaghetti, fettuccine and other shapes, and many parts are non-stick or dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The machine also offers guided portion measurements and recipe support to help get dough hydration right, which reduces trial and error for beginners. The main trade-off is that the housing uses some plastic elements, so for heavy daily commercial use an industrial machine would be more durable. For home cooks who want quick, reliable fresh pasta without manual rolling, the 7000 series is a practical, time-saving choice.